Hello everyone, welcome to lecture series on analog circuits.
Hello everyone, in today's discussion I will be discussing about base current and input resistance at base. So I am discussing about base current and input resistance at base. In the last class I tried to derive the expression for transconductance GM. What are the equation of transconductance? It is IC divided capital IC divided by VT, or it is small IC. That is what is transconductance. It is output AC current to the input AC voltage. This is transferred, correct? So it is IC divided by VB. So and even I try to derive the expression of instantaneous value of collector current. What is the instantaneous value of collector current? It is DC value plus small signal value. What is DC value? It is capital IC. Plus what is small signal value? It is IC divided by BT into VB. So what is IC? IC divided by VT into VB. What is this? Small signal current, correct? This is a collector current which I was supposed to design. Correct. So what is IC? I try to represent this term as I by V, which is nothing but again a transconductance terms, that is GM into VB. So in today's session I'll be discussing about the base current and input resistance at base. So I'm trying to find the expression of IB small I subscript small b, and I am trying to try to find the expression of input resistance at base. What is the input resistance at base? The input resistance at base can be R is denoted by R pi. The input resistance at base, I use that notation. That notation is what? R pi. The input resistance at base is R pi. So now I'll try to derive the expression of total base current. As you all know, the base current IB small I, instantaneous value of base current IB is what? It is I capital C divided by beta. What is I small I subscript capital C? Earlier only I have derived. This is my equation number 1. But what do I know? I subscript capital C is capital IC plus IC divided by VT into small v subscript small b, correct? So this is my equation number 2. I'll substitute 2 in 1. What will I get the instantaneous value of base current as? It is IC divided by beta plus IC divided by beta into VT into VB. This is my equation number 3. So this equation, as you all know, I already know that instantaneous value of base current is because of DC value of base current plus AC value of the base current. So if I try to compare in this expression, what is IB? You already know that it is IB is IC divided by beta. Capital IB is capital IC divided by beta. So I can clearly make out that IB is IC divided by beta. Similarly, what I can approximate this to, that is small, this is I small I subscript small b. So what will be small I subscript small b equal to? It is IC divided by beta into VT into, this is, this is VB. So this is VB is, so it is AC value of base emitter voltage. So this is what the expression of base current, AC value of base current, correct? So it is a signal current at the input side. So you can see here what is try to understand what is this. What is this? I have already discussed in the last class. IC divided by VT is what? GM. So how can I write expression of base current as IB is equal to, can I write it as GM divided by beta? Yes. So it is GM divided by beta into VB. So what do I need? This is the base current. This is the expression for base current. So I have derived the expression of base current. Now as next I am supposed to find the base resistance, input resistance at base. All right. So what will be the expression? Expression will be of R pi. What will be the resistance R? R is nothing but V by I. What is V? That is base voltage divided by base current, right? What is base voltage? It will be VB. What is the base current? It will be IB. So using this equation only, I can write R pi as, R pi is small v subscript b divided by IB is equal to what? I need V by I. So this will be, beta will be going above, beta divided by GM, correct? Yes or no? I can even obtain this expression in another form by in another form. What is GM? See, look here. What is the instantaneous value of base current? IB is IC divided by beta into IC divided by beta. What is instantaneous value of collector current? It is IC plus IC divided by T into VB. The same thing I have derived here. it is capital IB plus small ib. What is small ib? It is IC divided by beta into VT plus VBA. So what I have substituted, since we know that IC divided by beta is GM, so what I'm writing, IB is equal to GM divided by beta into VBA. What will I get? Expression of R pi as RA. This is the expression of current, this is the expression of resistance. What is this R pi? It is the small signal input resistance between base and emitter terminal looking from base. So when I look from base, the resistance seen is R pi. It is a small signal input resistance between base and emitter looking from base, and is denoted by, in the sense, coming to the diagram, if I look from base side, what is the resistance I am able to see? That is R pi. What is R pi? Beta by GM. But as you already know, what is GM? IC divided by VT. So what will I get? I will try to solve here. What will I get? What is R pi? What is GM? IC divided by VT. So what will I get? R pi is equal to beta divided by, what is GM? IC divided by beta. So I will get IC here. I will take VT above. Correct? Yes or no? But what is IC divided by beta? This is nothing but VT whole divided by capital IB. Correct? So input resistance is VT by IB. So it is capital VT by IB. So next, so that's what I am writing the expression as R pi is. This is another form of R pi. R pi is VT by IB. The another formula is, it is VB by IB, and the last one formula is beta by GM. Remember all the three formulas. This is another form of R pi. So hopefully you understood the expression of IB. So I'll be continuing my explanation on the emitter current and the input resistance of the emitter. So I'll be now deriving the expression on emitter current and input resistance of the emitter. So what is the emitter current? Instantaneous value of emitter current. So I need what? Emitter current. What actually I need is IE subscript small e, and I want to get the expression for RE, that is emitter resistance. If this is a transistor, if I look from emitter terminal, what is the resistance I am able to see, that resistance is RE. So I am deriving the expression. I want to write the expression, derive expression for I subscript small e, that is AC value of the emitter current and resistance RE. So to do this, what I am having, so I'll try to take the help of equation, that is I subscript capital E, that is instantaneous value of emitter current is given by the IE is equal to, as you all know, IE is IC divided by alpha. Correct? So what is IC? I subscript capital C, right? So what is IC? It is capital IC plus small IC, correct, into 1 by alpha. What is capital IC? I'll write it in this fashion. So it is IC plus, what is IC? And small IC, it is nothing but IC, capital IC divided by VT into small VBE. Correct? So if I take alpha inside, what will I get the expression as? IC divided by alpha plus IC divided by alpha into VT into small VBE. Correct? This is I capital E. So as I call this equation number 1, I1 know IE is what? Capital IE plus small I subscript small e. So comparing 1 and 2, what can I say? IE is IC divided by alpha. This is equation number 3, and small IE is IC divided by alpha VT into VBE. Correct? So here we can see that this is my expression of IE. What else I need? I need the expression of RE also. So how can I derive RE? RE is what? Resistance seen at the emitter end. So what RE will be obviously equal to VBE by IE. Correct? RE will be nothing but VBE by IE. So what will be the expression now? So I can write the expression as alpha VT by IC. Correct? Yes or no? So, but as you all know, even I can write this expression as IE expression as, what is IC by VT? IC by VT is nothing but GM. GM divided by alpha into VB. Correct? Even this is true. Correct? I is also equal to GM divided by alpha into VB. I is also equal to GM divided by alpha into VB. So if I try manipulating this equation, I can even write it as alpha by GM, correct? VB by I is equal to alpha divided by GM. So this is my expression for RE. So RE is what? Alpha divided by GM, correct? Hopefully understandable, yes or no? But what is the usual nominal value of alpha? Alpha will be usually approximately equal to 1. So I can say RE is 1 by GM. So that's what I'm done in the notes here. That is total emitter current is given by IC divided by alpha plus IC. Small IC is nothing but IC, you see capital IE plus IE. This is nothing but the DC value. IE is IC divided by alpha, and small IE is small I subscript small c divided by alpha. So IC divided by alpha into VT to VB, correct? So I get IE divided by VT into VB. So why did I write I divided by VT here? You see here IC is nothing. Here I'm using one more formula. This is nothing but IC divided by alpha. What is IC divided by alpha? I can even call this equation as IC divided by alpha is what? IE divided by VT into VB. All of them are correct because IC divided by alpha is IE. All of them are correct. So I'm really obtaining how many equations? 3 equations over here. So this is the equation. I is equal to I divided by VT into VB. But what is RE? VB by I. Here what is the definition of RE? Small signal resistance between base and emitter looking from emitter. When I look from emitter between base and emitter, the resistance I am able to see is VB by I. That VBI is what? VT divided by IE because of this relation IT divided by VT divided by IE. But what is if I try calculating using this relation VT divided by IC, here look here, I am getting the RE as VT by IE, correct? What is GM? GM is equal to IC divided by VT. What will be I get VT as IC divided by GM. So it's a substitute IC divided by GM into 1 by IE. What will I get the expression of RE as alpha by GM? I'll again get 1 by GM. So what is RE in terms of GM? It will be 1 by GM. So try practicing this derivation. It is very easy. I am first find DC equal to the emitter current, then I'll find signal value of the emitter current. What is the signal value of expression I'm having as IC divided by IE divided by VT into VB, but I need RE. This is the expression of IE, but I even need the expression of RE. So I write the RE as VB by IE. So I'll get VT divided by IE. So VT divided by, this is VT divided by IE. This I'm writing over here, correct? But what is VT? Well, VT is IC divided by GM. So VT is IC divided by GM into IE, correct? So what is IC divided by GM? IC divided by IE is what? IC divided by IE is what? Alpha. So alpha divided by GM, what will be called approximately equal to 1 by GM. Hopefully this is very clear. Next, I'll try to prove relationship between R pi and RE. It is very simple. Relationship between R pi and RE. What is R pi? R pi is what? Resistance seen from the base, correct? So it is VBE by IB. And what is RE? It is VBE by IE. See here, it is VB by IE. And R pi is VBE by IB. So I am using these two formulas. I will substitute V for VBE. What will I get VBE as? VBE is R pi into IB, which is also equal to IE into RE over here, correct? So if I try getting the expression here, what will I get R pi as? IE divided by IB into RE, correct? R pi I'll keep it here. I'll take IB that side. What will I get? IE by IB into RE. What is IE by IB? It is nothing but 1 plus beta into RE. So relation is R pi. Relation is what? R pi is 1 plus beta into RE. That's what I'm trying to prove here. Look here. It is R pi is VB is R pi into IB, VB is IE into RE. So I'm trying to relate the equation. I'll write the expression in terms of R pi. What will I get? R pi is equal to this IB will go to the denominator. What is IE divided by IB? It is 1 plus beta. So it is R pi is 1 plus beta into RE. Now I'll try to sum up the concepts. If I look from base terminal with emitter ground, it is base resistance, that is R pi. What is R pi? VBE by IB. If I look from emitter terminal with base grounded, it is the emitter resistance which I am able to see, that is RE is VBE by IE. So this is the conclusion. So I'm trying to I'm having a problem here, that is the BJT is having beta is equal to 100 and is biased at DC collector current 1 milliampere. What is DC collector current? It is capital IC. That's what I have written here. What is beta? 100. He's asking me to find GM. So what is GM? IC divided by VT. That's what I know. So what is VT? 25 millivolt at room temperature. So I'll directly get the value of GM as 40 milliampere per volt. So it is I by V, ampere per volt. So always write the units properly. And what is RE? RE is 1 by GM. I'll get the equation of RE. R pi is 1 plus beta into RE. You'll get the value of R pi. So problems are simple. Hope and people should mainly remember the formula of everything. There is R pi. What is the IE, IB, R pi, RE, and relationship of R pi and RE. And even you have to remember the expression of GM and IC, small IC and capital IC. If you know a small IC, you'll get instantaneous value of collector current. It is small IC, so capital C, aram se. Correct. So in the next session, I'll be starting with the voltage gain. Thank you.